Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of onboarding process. My name is Chia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through how to take a screenshot on window. Because why this video? We basically noticed that there are a lot of students that when they are facing issue, they just want maybe to go to a forum and explain, right? And when they explain, like maybe a Slack, and when they are trying to explain that, what happens is that they cannot take a screenshot and put on that, because sometimes when you are just typing that I am having issue to do this, sometimes you need a screenshot so that somebody can try to figure out what your mistake is, right? And sometimes when you say, hey, please, can you go ahead and send us a screenshot of the error issue that you are facing, they don't really know how to take that screenshot, right? There is a built-in tool in Windows that we can basically use to take a screenshot, and that is called a snippy tool. Let me kind of go over here in my window machine, and if you type here, I can set snippy, and this is going to show up, and we say snippy what? Capture. And when you open this, it's going to look like this, right? I can take the screenshot of this page. You can basically screenshot a specific zone that you want. Let me go ahead here and say new. As you guys can see, I can screenshot this page just like this. And I can take, when I take the screenshot, as you guys can see, it looks like this, right? And I can either select and say copy. And let's say I want to send it to somebody here at work, maybe through Slack. Let's say I kind of want to send it here in one channel. Let me look for somebody here and I can send it to the person, right? If you click here, for instance, let me check somebody here. I'll send it to myself. I can now paste it here and go ahead and hit enter. As you guys can see, boom, it is gone. And the person will receive this screenshot, right? Also, let's say you are typing something through your terminal, and at some point you have an error here and somebody is asking for the error message that you are facing. What can you do? You just go ahead and open that snippy tool and you can take the screenshot of this, and you can kind of open that like this. And let's say you have an issue here, you can even write and show the person that, hey, this is where the issue is here, or you can even say it is here and write something, right? So that the person will know, or I can usually circle it and say, this is where I'm facing my issue. And when you are done, you can either save this, maybe go to your download folder, you give the name and you upload that, or from here, you can just make sure that you say Control-C to copy that. And let's say you want to send it through WhatsApp, through Slack, you just paste it there and you can send it to the person. As you guys can see, the person will open this and know that, hey, this is the issue that this guy is facing, and he know exactly how to help you, right? That's it for this video, guys. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that you will be notified when we publish a new content. Thank you. Bye-bye.